Hear the drum call from the mountainside. Hear the voice that no chain can hide. When truth arise like the morning sun, no wall of lies can make it run. Them build high towers upon fear and gold, trading tomorrow for stories untold. But every heartbeat know right from wrong, and justice live inside the people's song. No sword we carry, no fire we bring, only the truth that the righteous sing. From dusty roads to the city square, a living message fill the air. You can lock the gate, you can hide the key, but you can't imprison a people longing to be free. This song shook the system like thunder across the sky. This song shook the system, lifting every head held high. One voice become 1,000 more, knocking on oppression's door. Truth keep rising, never fall. Justice is a song for all. Babylon deal with stone and pride, yet fear is the mortar hidden inside. The humble seed break concrete ground when faithful hearts unite as one sound. The farm, the work, the child at play, carry tomorrow in every day. No crown can shine forever bright when it is stolen from the people's right. Raise your lantern through the night, darkness fade before the light. No river stop the morning tide, hope and courage walk beside. Every nation, every land, healing start with heart and hand. Ancestors whisper through the breeze, truth still dancing with the trees. The roots grow deep beneath the ground, waiting for freedom to be found. The chains grow weak where love is strong. The broken stand and move along. No tyrant's echo can remain when people rise and break the chain. This song shook the system like thunder across the sky. This song shook the system, lifting every head held high. One voice become 1,000 more, knocking on oppression's door. Truth keep rising, never fall. Justice is a song for all. Yeah, na, 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 na. No man alone can change the earth, but every truth reveal its worth. One small spark become a flame, lighting hearts in every name. The children sing with fearless eyes, watching hope begin to rise. Where love and justice lead the way, a brighter dawn replace the gray. Hear the wind carry every word. No matter who refuse to listen, the voice of truth shall still be heard. Morning light break through the cloud, humble people standing proud. Long enough the lies did rain, long enough the poor no pain. But every river find the sea, every captive seek to be free. The earth remember every cry, no deception can forever fly. Cover the mirror if you choose, still your face remain the same. Hide the story for a season, truth will always call your name. Not silence, it echo through the land. Truth, not silence, like thunder strong and grand. No chain can hold it, no war divided. Truth, not silence, justice walk beside it. Them write history with golden pen, leaving out the common men. Yet the stones beneath our feet still remember every beat. Children asking why the tears echo reaching through the years. Every answer soon appear when honest voices conquer fear. Raise your lantern eye tonight, every spark become a light. One by one the darkness fade, hope can never be betrayed. Mountains tremble, rivers flow, seeds of righteousness shall grow. Hand in hand the people stand, healing every broken line. The farmer sowing faith each day, those storm clouds block the sun away. The worker lift a weary head, still believing hope ain't dead. The elders speak with steady tone, no soul was meant to stand alone. The young reply with burning flame, we shall never bow again. Truth, not silence, it echo through the land. Truth, not silence, like thunder strong and grand. No chain can hold it, no war divided. Truth, not silence, justice walk beside it. When the last false kingdom fall, love shall answer every call. Not by hatred, not by war, but by knowing who we are. Truth is older than the crown, older than the empire's town. Like the sunrise every day, no darkness keeps its light away. Truth, no silence, it lives in every soul. Truth, no silence, it make the wounded whole. From know. Hear the drum call from the hills. Every heartbeat tell the story. Every voice carry the will. Rise up, people, stand together. One love, one destiny. Yeah. From the valley to the mountain high, every child deserves the open sky. No matter where your journey starts, freedom lives inside the heart. The fisherman upon the shore, the market woman wanting more, the worker with the calloused hand. Together strong, together stand. The river never flows alone. Every drop becomes its own. So when the people move as one, a brighter day has just begun. No fear can divide we, no greed can buy the soul. Love is the foundation, unity the goal. People power rise, lift your voices to the sky. Hey. People power rise, never let your spirit die. One heart, one nation, one dream, one foundation. Side by side we realize people power rise. I hear the children laugh again, hope returning after pain. Every elder past the flame, teaching every righteous name. No crown is greater than the truth, no strength is greater than the youth. When the humble lead the way, night must always heal today. Every village sing the sound, freedom growing from the ground. Justice bloom like morning rain, healing every wound again. Heal and come again. Listen me people, hear me clear. Love conquer every doubt and fear. No matter your color, tribe or creed, unity is all we need. Raise your hand if your heart stay clean. Stand together, strong and keen. From Kingston town to countryside, let the people's spirit ride. People power rise, lift your voice forever stand together. When the last drum echoes through the valley, when the morning breaks upon the hills, may every soul remember freedom is not only a destination. Freedom is the song we carry within. Freedom sound forever. Hey, 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 hey. Morning rise on fields of gold, ancient stories still unfold. Every river knows the sea, every heart was born to be free. From humble paths to mountain high, dreams still reach beyond the sky. Every child with hopeful eyes carried tomorrow where freedom lies. No shadow lasts forever long, the dawn awakens with the sun. Every tear that touched the ground now blossoms into joyful sound. Hold the faith through storm and rain, hope will overcome the pain. Hand in hand the people stand, healing hearts across the land. Freedom sound forever, let it echo through the years. Freedom sound forever, stronger than our doubts and fears. One love, one light, one future shining bright. Sing together now and forever. Freedom sound forever. The old tree stands through wind and flame, still its roots remain the same. So our spirit shall endure, grounded strong and always pure. The elders smile with knowing eyes, watching generations rise, passing wisdom hand to hand, building hope throughout the land. No crown outlives a truthful heart, no darkness tears true love apart. Every voice becomes a guide when compassion walks beside. Oh, let the river sing, oh, let the mountains ring. Every nation hear the call. Peace belongs to one and all. Lift the broken, lift the weak, lift the weak, lift the hope that all men seek from every village, every shore. Freedom knock on every door, yeah. Hear the drum beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Hear the horns begin to play, welcoming a brighter day. No division, no despair, love was always meant to share. Every blessing multiplied when we walk in truth and pride. The seeds our fathers chose to sow now become the trees that grow, sheltering another generation, standing firm through every nation. Freedom sound forever, raise your voices to the sky. Freedom sound forever, let your spirit testify. One people, one heartbeat, marching with the steady beat. One tomorrow, one sunrise, hope reflected in our seasons change, though generations pass, the roots grow deeper. Let the children remember, let the elders rejoice, let every nation sing with one voice. The journey continues, the hope lives on, the light still shines, and the music will never fade. Freedom sound forever, forever. Freedom sound forever, forever. 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 Wheelie, wheelie, hear the drum call, bassline rolling, roots standing tall. Every word got power, every voice got light. Speak with wisdom, stand for what is right. Fire in the word, yeah. No need for hatred, no need for fear. When truth and love are crystal clear, the smallest spark can light the way, turning darkness into day. Every elder plant a seed, teaching every child to lead. With humble hearts and open hands, hope will blossom through the lands. The wind carry every sound, truth will always travel round. Words of peace become a flame, changing hearts in every name. Speak it with courage, sing it with soul. Love is the message, making broken spirits whole. Fire in the word, burning bright tonight. Fire in the word, shining truth and light. No weapon stronger than a faithful voice. Lift your heart together, let the people rejoice. Fire in the word, fire in the word, fire in the word. No mountain I can stop the dawn. Every night must carry on. Justice walk with steady feet, meeting hope on every street. The farmer sing beside the rain, the worker rise despite the pain. Every dream worth standing for, open every hopeful door. No matter where your footsteps go, plant good seeds and watch them grow. Love return 100-fold, worth much more than silver gold. Listen now, words can build and words can heal. Words reveal what's truly real, so speak life wherever you stand. Bless your neighbor, bless the land. No division, no disgrace. Lift its soul with love and grace. When the righteous voices sing, hope becomes a living thing. We look fire in the word, burning through the night. Fire in the word, leading toward the light. Stand together, sing forever. One heartbeat, one treasure. Fire in the word, fire in the word, fire in the word. Like the sunrise after rain, joy will overcome the pain. Like the rivers find the sea, truth was always meant to be free. If your lantern, don't look back. dancing free beyond the pain. Hear the horns begin to play, welcoming a brighter day. The roots grow deep beneath the ground. Strength is where true love is found. One united family stand, healing every nation land. The music travels far and wide, carrying peace on every tide. Every chorus, every rhyme, echo through the hands of time. Fire in the word, let it never fade. Fire in the word, every promise made. Truth is rising, love is shining, hope is calling. Keep on climbing, raise your voices, young and old. Sing with courage, strong and bold. Fire in the word, forever burning, forever learning, forever turning hearts toward the light. Drum keep beating, bass keep rolling, hearts keep growing, hearts keep growing. One voice become many, one spark become a flame. One truth become a song. Fire in the word, fire forever.
One heartbeat, one creation, many rivers, one ocean. From the mountains of Jamaica to the plains of Mama Africa, every child carries tomorrow, every voice carries the song. Stand together, the journey continues. Morning light upon the land, hope is growing hand in hand. Every sunrise softly sings of brighter days that freedom brings. Ancient roots beneath our feet guide us with a steady beat. Every elder lights the flame, passing wisdom just the same. From the islands to the shore, love can open every door. No matter where the people roam, peace will always lead them home. Lift your eyes beyond the sky, dreams were never born to die. Every step and every prayer builds tomorrow everywhere. One people, one destiny, one hope for all to see. Many voices, one great chorus, singing in harmony. One people, one destiny, standing side by side. Love shall be our strongest shelter, hope our faithful guide. From Jamaica's mountain breeze to Africa's majestic trees, the drum remembers every name, though the seasons never stay the same. History lives within the song, teaching hearts to journey strong. Every child who learns the way carries dawn into the day. Build with kindness, speak with grace, see your neighbor's smiling face. Justice planted deep in love, blessings rain from heaven above. One drum, one rhythm, one family, one vision. No war, only bridges. No hatred, only healing. Raise your voices, raise them high, till every nation touch the sky. Plant the seed with faithful hands,
across the lands. Lift the weary from the ground. Share the joy that can be found. The lion's courage leads the way, guiding hearts from day to day. Generation after generation, building one great foundation. Let the rivers freely flow, teaching every child to grow. May the light forever shine, making every future bright.
One people, one destiny.
One destiny.
One people,
Oh,
one destiny.
one destiny.
One people,
One people.
one destiny.
One destiny.
One people,
One people.
one destiny. One people,
One destiny.
walking in the light,
Walking in the light,
holding fast to truth and justice,
making wrong things right.
making wrong things right.
One people, one destiny.
Strong through every age,
Wise, writing peace upon tomorrow.
turning every page.
Oh,
One people,
one destiny.
lift your voices high.
Hope will bloom in every nation, like the morning sky.
Morning sky.
Why?
One people,
One destiny,
forever we shall stand.
bound by love and shared compassion, heart to heart and hand in hand. The drum still beats,
The river still flows,
the children still sing.
the hope still grows.
Remember the journey,
Remember the roots,
remember each other,
remember each other.
for every nation, for every generation. One people, one destiny.
When the night feels longest, hold the faith. When the road grows weary, hold the promise. For the morning always remembers what the darkness could never erase. Morning sunlight kiss the hills, gentle breeze the valley fills. Though the clouds may hide the day, hope still finds a faithful way. Every stone upon the road cannot break the spirit's load. Love is stronger than despair, mercy meets us everywhere. From the roots beneath the tree comes the song of liberty. Every heart beats softly knows where the river of promise flows. Do not fear the passing rain, after every storm remains a brighter sky, a stronger flame, forever true. The promise remains,
The promise remains,
the promise remains.
though the seasons change.
Faith will carry every pilgrim, love will still remain.
The promise remains,
Like the morning sun,
hope will rise with every heartbeat.
till the victory comes. From Jamaica's mountain breeze to the wide African trees, the song of freedom still is heard, carried softly like a bird. Ancient wisdom lights the way, guiding every newborn day. The elders teach Plant your dreams in fertile ground, soon the harvest will be found. Every tear becomes the rain, helping life to bloom again. Lift the weary from the dust, walk together in your trust. When tomorrow greets the dawn, the faithful still keep moving on. The lion's courage fills the soul, making broken spirits whole. Generation after generation, building hope for every nation.
The promise remains
Forever,
The promise remains
the promise remains.
The promise remains The promise remains
The promise remains.
The promise remains The promise remains
Forever.
The promise remains The promise remains
The promise remains.
The promise remains
The promise remains.
The promise remains
Ah. When the night feels longest, hold the faith. When the road grows weary, hold the promise. For the morning always remembers what the darkness could never erase. Morning sunlight kiss the hills, gentle breeze the valley fills. Though the clouds may hide the day, hope still finds a faithful way. Every stone upon the road cannot break the spirit's load. Love is stronger than despair, mercy meets us everywhere. From the roots beneath the tree comes the song of liberty. Every heartbeat softly knows where the river of promise flows. Do not fear the passing rain, after every storm remains a brighter sky, a stronger flame, forever true. The promise remains.
The promise remains
Though the seasons change,
Though the seasons change
faith will carry every pilgrim.
Love will still remain
The promise remains,
The promise remains
like the morning sun.
Like the morning sun
Hope will rise with every heartbeat till the victory comes. From Jamaica's mountain breeze to the wide African trees, the song of freedom still is heard, carried softly like a bird. Ancient wisdom lights the way, guiding every newborn day. The elders teach with humble hands, peace is built across the lands. Every child deserves to know where the living rivers flow. Every dream deserves its chance, growing in the light of promise flows. From the roots beneath the tree comes the song of liberty. Every heartbeat softly knows where the river of promise flows. Do not fear the passing rain, after every storm remains a brighter sky, a strong